Toyota Camry 2AR engine. So this I'm going to today replace for the PCV valve. So this part, this is the PCV valve, and you can see the part number. The shaking valve, brand new one. So this location is over here. You can see this, the hose. I scanned this, found this code P3190. This car had a problem is bad, the vacuum leaks for the PCV valve. So that's why it's replacing for the PCV valve. So you can see the PCV valve here. It's underneath to the axle. So you can see. So you can see in here between the manifold and the cylinder block. So I already off the hose connector. So you can see clearly now. So we need it's a 19mm deep socket. Okay, we're going to change the new one. So I put a little bit in a sealer. So after that we're going to tighten the valve. This one is a hand tight, is enough. After put it back in the hose, and this one going up. So finally we install the PCV valve. This other in going like in here. This hose going to be here. So I need to replace for the PCV valve hose also. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.